Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to the world of Java. So today's topic for learning is how Java works. So let me write it here. How Java works. So first of all we have to write a source file. Source file that is a .java file. Source file that is a .java file. Then second we have a compiler that is Java compiler, and then we have a .class compile file, compiled source file, and we have a JVM that is Java virtual machine. Let's understand how it works. So here is our source file. First of all, let's learn the word view. Here is our source file. It has a .java extension. Then we have compiler. Here is our compiler. This compiler compiles this source file .java file into bytecode, and it has an extension of .class. This is the class file which is generally in bytecode. Then JVM reads this bytecode. Then JVM takes this bytecode and runs this. So here is our JVM, and then it runs to different platforms. It may be mobile, computer, or others. Okay, so simply we have a source file .java extension. Then there is a compiler. The compiler takes the source file and compiles it to .class file, or generally bytecodes. Then this bytecode is read by JVM using Java interpreter. Actually, Java interpreter used to read bytecodes line by line. So with the help of Java interpreter, JVM runs this .class file on different machines. This is the main flow. That is how Java works. So simple. Now let's create a simple source file. Very basic source file. Hello world.java. So the syntax is public. This is for accessible to anyone. That's why we use public. Class is the keyword for class, and with the hello world. By Java convention, we have this first letter of class as capital, and then we have a starting curly braces and an end curly braces. Start curly braces and end curly braces. So this is our class. In Java, everything is inside a class. So this is class, and inside it we have a main method, and the syntax of main method is public. Public means it is accessible to everyone. Static, we will learn more about it, leave it for now. Static, void, and main. So, and it accepts this array of strings, and open curly braces, and then it's end curly braces, close curly braces. Now inside it we have a simple statement, very simple statement to print out the hello system.out.print. Hello world. So this is our simple source file. So suppose we save it. Let's go and save it as hello world .java. This is important, this extension. So this extension .java makes it a source file. So this is our simple, very simple source file, that is .java file. Here, so let's compile this file in our computer and understand the way how Java works. Where is our Java JVM? Where is our compiler? So let's see it in the JDK and see also the output of this. So let's see it in working action.
So friends, let's understand the way Java works. Here is a hello world file which I have created for you. We will compile and run this file. So I have opened the CMD and I'm going to copy this source file path which I have written already and shown you. So let's browse to the path. Here I have browsed to E directory by using the command E colon. You can see here I am in the E directory. Now I am browsing the directory. Here you can see our hello world.java file. Now I will use javac command to run this, and javac is the compiler which is in the bin directory of JDK. So you can see here it is javac. C stands for compiler. So javac command is used to compile the source files and it converts to the bytecode. And just above it you can see the java.exe, which is Java interpreter, which is used to read bytecodes line by line. So we will also see that in this example. First of all, let's see javac and hello world.java. This command compiles the source file. Now we must have a .class file created. So let's see. Here you can see a .class file is created. Now this .class file is read by JVM. In Java, in the JDK folder we have this JVM file. Generally it is under the source or client folder. So let's see it where it is, so that you can have a better idea where is JVM in the JDK. So I have browsed to the bin folder. We will enter from JDK to JR. Here is the command of Java interpreter, but before that we will see where is JVM. So here you can see under servers folder we have jvm.dll file. This is very important. This is our JVM. Generally it is under server or client. Here I have by default server. So here now you can see Java interpreter is going to read this file, and here I have used the Java command. So Java hello world, the name of the .class file. Now here you can see we have got an error. We could not find library. So let's search it on the Google why this is happening. Actually this happens when we do not have a class path set in our system. So let's see what Google says. Error could not find this. Actually I mean this showing this search because this is how we work. You should know how what if error comes in, what to do if an error comes. So generally we do search. So here you can say java-cp. This is a class path, and .class. This is the class where all the class files are made. So this sets our .class file class path. So this command sets our class path, and we will run hello our .class file hello world. Here you can see we have got our output. So this is our output. I think you got the clear vision of everything how Java works. Thank you.